Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post a job on Indeed. So, in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on a PC and navigate to indeed.com. Then log in using your user credentials and you'll be on Indeed's employer page. So make sure you have created an Indeed employer account in order to post a job, because you will have two ways to sign up on Indeed, as an employee or as an employer. You can simply click on your profile icon at the top right, click on account settings and navigate to this page where you can choose how your profile is going to work, as an employer or employee. As you can see in this account settings, my account type is job seeker. So currently it is an employer account. I will have to just click on this change account type and choose employer, hiring, sourcing candidates or advertising jobs. So choose this one in the account type and click on save. And Indeed profile will be switched according to this preference. My account type is employer now. Now, when I click on this icon, I'll be on this page where I will see the post a job button just right here. If you're not on this page, you can simply click on this plus create new button and choose job. Now, when you click on job, you will see the first page, that is create an employer account. Here, you'll have to scroll down and choose your company's name. In this field, choose your company's number of employees. Here, you'll have to choose your first name and last name and choose how you heard about Indeed. Click on select an option and choose any one of these. Now, enter your phone number and click on continue. After you click on continue, you'll be promoted to another page, that is add job basics. Here, you'll have to add the basic details of your job, like your company's sub-industry, and in this field, you'll have to introduce your company to people in a small and brief lines. So here you'll have to basically add your company's description, what your company is about and how it works and what purpose does it serve. So you can enter your description. After entering it, scroll down, navigate to job title and enter the job title that you're posting this job for. For example, if I will have to hire a video editor, I will place my cursor here and type in the person's position that I'm hiring and choose their name. So after doing this, scroll down, navigate to job posting location and choose which option best describes this job's location. Choose whether this job is on-site or remote. So I will choose remote. Now choose, do you want to advertise your job in a specific city? So I will choose no. If yes, you can select yes and enter the name of the place where you want to advertise your job. After this, click on continue. Now here you'll have to add your job details. So this is job type field. Here you'll have to choose whether your job is full-time, permanent, fresher, part-time, internship or freelance job. So I will choose freelance and I will have to enter the length of this contract. So I will enter 5 months. Now if your contract is for days or week, you can choose these two. So I will enter months and choose 5 months. Now in the schedule section, you'll have to choose the basic scheduling of your job, whether it is a morning shift, evening shift or any of these shifts available here. You can also click on other and skip this. Now choose, is there a planned start date for this job? You'll have to choose between these, yes or no. Now choose the number of people you wish to hire for this job. Click on select an option and select the number. Now in this field, choose recruitment timeline for this job. Click on select an option and choose. Now click on continue and add pay and benefit details for your job. So this is pay page. Here you'll have to review the pay that Indeed estimated for your job and you can adjust it as needed. You can also check your local minimum wage by clicking on this eye icon. You can also check your local minimum wage for this. Now scroll down and choose show pay by range, starting amount, maximum amount or exact amount. So choose any one of these filters and in the minimum range, you'll have to enter the minimum pay for your job and the maximum pay for your job. Also, you can choose whether this pay is going to be per hour, per day, per week, month or year. After choosing this, scroll down and you can also add supplemental pay details, whether the person applying for this job is going to have performance bonus, yearly bonus, commission pay, joining bonus and other things. Now you can choose this and scroll to benefits. Now add all kind of benefits that you're going to offer, then click on continue. After this, you'll have to add a job description. For this, you can simply navigate to ChatGPT or if you want to write it manually, you can do that too. But I'm going to show you a quick way through which you can generate a job post pretty easily. So navigate to ChatGPT, log in using user credentials, and place your cursor in the message ChatGPT section. So I've written this small job description. Basically, you will have to describe it to ChatGPT. What are you going to do? So I've written, create a job posting for Indeed where I'm hiring a video editor for my agency. The pay will be 10,000 to 30,000 rupees and the work will be in educational content creation. Now you can also add another details if you want to. After this, click on this send icon and ChatGPT will generate a job posting that you can copy and paste pretty easily. As you can see, my job description has been created. So I'll click on copy and navigate back to job description. Paste it here and you can also edit any part that you think is wrong or remove it. So make sure you have reviewed this job description and you can click on preview to see how this job description is going to look like. Now click on close preview and click on continue. After this, you'll have to set your preferences, whether the communication preference is going to be sent to this email, or you can also click on add email and add another one if you wish. Just scroll down and choose whether you want to get an individual email update each time someone applies to your job. You can choose this or remove this. Now, you can also choose whether you want to let potential candidates contact you about this job. So you can choose whether you want it to be by the email address you have provided. Now, in the application preferences section, you can ask potential candidates for a CV. So click on give the option to include CV. Choose yes, this job requires a CV, and if you don't want a CV, choose this one. After this, choose is there an application deadline? So I'm going to choose no. Now I'll click on continue. After this, you'll have to review the basic job details that you'll have added. Scroll down and click on confirm. You can click on these pencil icons to edit anything that you think is wrong. Now, after doing this, you'll be navigated to this page where you will see qualifications you need. So you can choose whether the skill you want should be a must-have or nice to have. So this is basically setting up the requirement for your job. For example, if I'm hiring a video editor, my video editor must have video editing skills, should have experience in Premiere Pro. If he also have experience in Final Cut Pro, it is nice to have. That means it will be good. If you don't want it, simply click on this remove icon and that qualification or requirement will be removed. After this, scroll down and in this section, you'll have to choose what additional criteria are important to the role. So you can add 10 criteria max. You can search for the skills like communication, Excel, or customer service that you would need for your job post. After this, click on save and continue. Now, you'll have to scroll down and in the application question section, you'll have to choose the minimum educational level for the person that you're hiring. It could be any one of these. Scroll down, select all of these options, then click on continue. So this is a sponsor job page. Here, you can choose your ad budget. So if you want to show ads for your job, you can simply put an ad budget and choose the ad duration, then click on save and continue. If you don't want it, simply click on no thanks. After this, you can see this is the page that says your job is ready to go. Here, I will have to just click on continue and I'll be promoted to this last page. That is rate candidates. So you'll have to basically tell Indeed which candidates fit your needs so they can match you with the right people for your job. For example, examine this candidate. If you like him, click on yes. If you don't like a candidate, select no. After doing this, you'll have to scroll down and click on continue. Now choose whether you are a hiring manager or no. So I will choose no and click on next. And I'll be successfully promoted to the page where I will have posted my job. As you can see, I'll have to click on OK here. When I click on this jobs icon at the left, I'll be able to view my job post that I did. As you can see, this is job I posted. The current status is pending. Here, it says all job posts are reviewed in 3 to 5 hours. Indeed will notify you when your job has been posted on Indeed. So you'll have to just wait and this job will be published soon. It is already posted. So that was the simple way through which you can post jobs on Indeed. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.